8 brain foods to fight brain fog, boost focus, and upgrade memory. Constantly losing focus? Memory fading? Your brain's running on empty. These 8 foods aren't snacks. They're brain repair fuel. And if you skip the last one, you're missing the most powerful upgrade. Number 1, fatty fish. Let's start with a heavy hitter. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These are loaded with omega-3s, the fat your brain literally runs on. DHA makes up 25% of your brain's fat. Skip it, and you're starving your focus. Number 2, blueberries. Here's where it gets interesting. These antioxidant-packed berries fight brain aging like rust remover for your neurons. Eat them daily and keep your memory razor sharp. Number 3, walnuts. They look like little brains for a reason. These omega-3 rich power snacks reduce inflammation and help your brain fire on all cylinders. Snack smarter. Number 4, turmeric. Now here's the real game changer. Turmeric's secret weapon curcumin supercharges the growth of neurons in your brain and wipes out brain fog. Pro tip, don't forget the black pepper. It's the key to 2,000% better absorption. Which one are you adding today? Drop your go-to brain booster in the comments and get ready for part 2. It only gets wilder.